If you click this button once, you will earn over $47. Clicking this button 10 times, you will earn over $470 in a day. It's completely free and available worldwide. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to ChatGPT. And I want you to type, give me 50 most popular ancient story ideas for social media. And ChatGPT, being one of the best AI tool for this work, will give you the most popular and best ancient story ideas for social media. So as you can see, these are the best and most popular ancient stories of different regions. And you can choose any of the stories category that you like for the purpose of this make money online method. These ancient story ideas are perfect for creating short videos for social media. But don't worry, you don't need to create any videos yourself. You don't need to show your face, use a camera, record your voiceover, or anything like that, because I will be sharing a new and secret AI tool with you that's gonna do all of this for you. The method I am showing you today will help you to earn $47 per click if you follow every step shown in this video. So stay tuned until the end. Now, the reason why we are searching for the ancient story ideas is because if you come over to YouTube and search for the Stellar Sagas, you will find this YouTube channel, which you can open from there. So as you can see, this YouTube channel, Stellar Sagas, grew their channel over 400,000 subscribers with just 51 videos, which is really awesome. On every video they upload. They are earning close to $2,000 every month from YouTube, but their main source of income is something else, and they are earning anywhere from $5,000 up to $10,000 using that. Now you might be wondering, but how they are actually making that much money using these ancient story videos? And how can we earn money with this method? Here is the answer. As you can see, they have a link in the bio which leads to their video creation and editing course. So if you click on that, you will be taken to their course page where you can see all the details about their social blade stats. You can see that they are getting anywhere from 10,000 viewers to 20,000 viewers every day. Even if only 10 people buy their course daily, they are earning a whopping $1,000 every day. But don't worry, you don't need to create any video creation or editing course. You don't even need to create these ancient story videos, because today I will be sharing one of the best AI tools to promote and create these videos for you completely from scratch. So stay tuned until the end of this video. This method works in almost all countries around the world, and you can make money from any part of the world using this method. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others watching from your country. So now the step number 2 is to come over to clipwise.ai. I will leave a link to Clipwise AI in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Clipwise AI is a tool that's going to help us to create stunning ancient story videos in just a minute using simple text prompts. As you can see, create viral short videos in 3 minutes using AI. You just need to copy-paste
to create awesome history videos like this channel. If you can scroll down here, you can see the sample videos of different niches, like the science videos, travel videos, food videos, and the history videos, etc. All of these videos look really amazing, and you can also create videos like this with just a text prompt. I will show you how to create videos like this using Clipwise in a minute. But for now, I want you to come over to ChatGPT again. We will use these ancient story ideas from ChatGPT to create stunning ancient story videos using Clipwise AI. But before that,
we are watching a video. So for example, if I want to go ahead with this, The Fall of Icarus, what I will do is I will just ask the ChatGPT to narrate The Fall of Icarus as if I am watching it in video, and I will just press enter, and the ChatGPT will start narrating the story for you in video presentation format. Next, you need to come over to Clipwise AI and register yourself on it. I will also leave a link to Clipwise in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Click that link to come over to Clipwise and register yourself by pressing sign up button. You can register directly using your Gmail, so just register on it. And once you log into your account for our video, you can select any language you like, but I will just go ahead with the English because we want to create videos in English for the history channel. Then we need to select the duration of the video, which I will select 60 seconds. You can also select the pace of the video from here, and I am going with the regular pace for our ancient story videos. And now the most important part, we need to copy paste the narration of GPT again, and you need to copy only these paragraphs from here. You don't need to copy these headings. So let's just copy the first paragraph from there and paste it into the Clipwise. Copy another paragraph from ChatGPT and paste it in Clipwise. Just like this, we will copy paste the whole story from ChatGPT to Clipwise AI tool. After you paste your story, next you want to select the visual theme for your videos. You can also click on View, all to view all the visual theme types from there. But for the purpose of our history channel, I am going ahead with cinematic theme from there. After that, I will just go ahead and click on generate. And now on this page, first of all, you need to choose the voiceover from here that you like for your videos. You can also click view all from there to view all the voices that are available here, so just choose the voice that you like. Next, because we don't need any video, see the scenes for different paragraph for your video right here. And the good thing is that you can just click on this edit icon from there and you can change the script, you can regenerate the image, or you can also upload the image from your device. After that, we just need to click on the next button on the bottom of this page. And on this page, we need to select the background music for our video. Now you can either select the background music yourself or you can let the AI do it for you. I am leaving it on the Clipwise AI to select the best background music for our video. Next, you can upload your channel logo here, select the logo position from here, and turn on this button. You will be able to see your logo on your video. Then you can select the different caption styles that you like from here. And then you can choose the video overlay for your video. And I like the lightning overlay, so I will just select that from here and press this next button on this page. And the Clipwise AI will start creating our video, which will take 2 to 5 minutes, so let's wait. As you can see, our video is ready, so let's play it and see how it sounds.
In a sunlit workshop, Daedalus meticulously crafts wings, blending wood and wax, hopeful for freedom from King Minos' grasp.
So you can see that the video created by Clipwise is just awesome. The voiceover is amazing, the texts are looking really good, lightning effects and other effects are looking amazing, and the background music selected by Clipwise AI for this video is just perfect for the history type of channels. So now, just download this video from here and upload it to your YouTube channel just like the Stellar Sagas. Repeat this process and create multiple videos like this using Clipwise AI tool. And now the step number 2 channel. Just like the Stellar Sagas channel, they are selling their own course, but we don't need to create any course to earn money with this method. What I want you to do is to come over to the homepage of Clipwise AI, and I want you to click where it says affiliate, and that's going to take you to their affiliate page. So as you can see, you can earn over $2,000 annually per new referral that you get. So if you join their affiliate program right now and promote Clipwise in the description of your YouTube channel, just like the Stellar Sagas channel, you can start to earn 20% affiliate commission in recurring revenue every month, which is just awesome. As a beginner affiliate, you can earn over $1,400 annually based on their earning projection, where you have 24 active referrals at the end of the year. As a growing affiliate, you can earn over $3,300 annually, where you have 36 active referrals by the end of year. And as a power affiliate, you can earn over $11,000, where you have 60 active referrals by the end of the year. And the good thing about promoting Clipwise AI tool is that the users will keep using this tool every year. Keep using the Clipwise subscription for years to come, which means we will keep getting this commission on a recurring basis every year. And you can see that this earning projection is for beginners only who are just starting to promote Clipwise AI tool, because it has only taken into consideration up to 60 members. And there are affiliate who, so even if you get only 100 referrals, which is really easy to get in a year if you follow the method that I will be showing you today in this video. And if your referrals, just buy the creator plan, which is for just $39 per month. You will be earning 20% of that, which is $7.80 for each referral. And for 100 referrals, you will be earning over $780 per month. If they buy the yearly plan, where they will get 60% off on their annual, earn 20% of that. That is equal to $47, which is just awesome, because you just need to promote this offer once by clicking on your affiliate link, copy it, and sharing it in the description of your YouTube channel. And you will keep getting $47 again and again in recurring revenue on autopilot. So to become an affiliate of Clipwise, all you have to do is to come over to their affiliate page and click on Start Earning Today. And on this page, you need to scroll down and click on Sign Up from there. Next, you need to enter your full name, your email, create a strong password for your account, create an affiliate ID for your account, check this box, and just press Start Now. And you will be directly taken to your dashboard, where first of all, you need to enter your billing details. So just press this button, fill in your details, and just press where it says Save. After that, you need to select your payment method from there. So just click Go to Settings, select Add a new payment method from there, and select it from there. I will enter my PayPal details in this box, and just click on the Save button to save my details. Once you do all that, all you have to do is to come to the offers from the left and select Offer List from there. You will be shown Clipwise AI Affiliate Program, and here you just need to click on Get Link. That's going to take you to this page, from where you can copy your affiliate link for promoting downloading Clipwise by just pressing this copy link button from there. And now you can add this link to the description of your brand new YouTube channel so that whenever someone visits your channel, they can see your link. And as soon as
they visit the Clipwise page and buys its subscription, you will get credited with $47 in affiliate commissions. Clipwise is one of the best AI tools for creating AI videos using text prompts. Once again, I will leave my link in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can use that link to come over to Clipwise and register yourself. You can start with as low as $10 if you buy their annual plan, or with just $25 if you buy their monthly plan.